from December 26 to this day, what has been happening in Somalia. This has started when in December 26, 2006, United States helicopter gunships AC-130 and Ethiopian tanks invaded Somalia. The United Nations knew about this, endorsed about it. European Unions knew about it, tacitly supported about it. It was about war on terror. It was accepted that it was okay to invade this weak nation because it represented danger to the West. Well, 11 months later, 800,000 Somalis are internally displaced. The capital city of Somalia has been laid to ruin. 72 hospitals have been destroyed. The Bakara market has been destroyed. The Somali telecommunication that has been the envy of Africa has been destroyed. Our institutions have been systematically dismantled. What has been done to us, I termed as called retribalization. We have been addressed as tribes because all the signs of civilization have been systematically eradicated in our country. There is in fact open, and every people who are interested about Somalia know that Melis Zenawi and his people have now created a new narrative that we were in fact Ethiopian tribe and we were part of Ethiopia. So this is not about war on terror because 11 months later there is not a single terrorist named or suspect that has been captured since the invasion of Somalia. Yet, the more the junta commits murder, rape, looting, the more they receive the support of the international community, including Canada. We are being told that this is to bring peace to Somalia. The only time I remember, through what I have read through history, that destruction is about civilization, that violence is peace, that rape is support and empowerment of women, was when John Locke testified some 300 years ago, slaves, black Africans as property of the white man, on the basis of what is called the just war theory. Why? Because the Africans in their recalcitrant refused to be captured, therefore committed the just war aggression. Therefore, in exchange of being killed, now they can be owned as a property in perpetuity. We know that is such irrational, but that is exactly what is taking place in Somalia. Because unlike the Nazi Germany, unlike any other wars of aggression, Somalia, the genocide in Somalia today has the backing of the United Nations, the backing of the Canadian government, the backing of European Union, the tacit support of African Union, the acquiescence of the Arab and the Muslim nations. We are facing a genocide that has the backing of the world community, and we have not seen in the modern history where the world community came together to systematically destroy a people. It is culture, it is institutions, all in the name of bringing civilization and peace and government to Somalia. What is the government? Melis Zenawi. So, we are asking, first and foremost, to Canadian people, and second to the government of Canada. We know what is taking place. We have been documenting it. International media has been documenting it. The Amnesty International has been documenting. We know what is taking place. The evidence is overwhelming. So it is up to the Canadian government to live up to this tradition of respecting human rights, and upholding the law, and first and foremost, joining the European Union and European Parliament, to call for independent inquiry to the genocide that is taking place in Somalia.
Yes!
And second, and most important, to demand the Ethiopian occupation of Somalia to end. And third, and this is very important, not to send money, Canadian money. Yes. Okay. Okay, we will. Let me finish. And third, and most importantly, to stop sending cash. We pay with our taxes, and I do pay a lot of taxes to finance the occupation of Somalia, the genocide of Somalia in the hands of Melis Zenawi.
Thank you.
Destroyed by the Ethiopian troops. Is that peace? The president of Somalia said, now we have peace. So does that mean one
single-handedly by Jandia Fraser.
Shame on Jandia Fraser. Shame.
2006, the United States and Ethiopian tanks, by the way, purchased with American taxpayers' money from North Korea, have invaded Somalia. 100,000 Somalis have been made internally displaced. Thousands have been killed. Thousands more maimed. And the capital city of Somalia laid to ruin. We have done nothing whatsoever to deserve this. And we are not the enemy of the American people. Jandia Fraser has created an absolute lie. She has laid the American people into a strait, and they are not gaining anything out of killing Somalis. We are not terrorists.
We are not terrorists.
These tanks are killing women and children. There has not been a single evidence of Al-Qaeda presence in Somalia. So why do the American people want to kill us? What have we done? Yes. Where are the terrorists?
Nowhere.
Are the Somali women the terrorists? No. So why?
Zenawi is the terrorist too.
What have we done to the people of America?
Nothing.